Hello everyone, this is Beverly Black, and I am coming to you today to do a review on this dental flosser. And I want you to check it out. It comes with about 7 different attachments. You see the different levels it has right here. Hold on and let me tell you a little bit about it. This dental flosser will remove mouth odor, deep reach nozzle, remove food residue, and it is an awesome oral health tool. Let me turn it on for you. See? And it is putting out the water. It has different levels. And there you turn it off. Here are the different attachments that comes with it. Here is your charging cord that you can charge it. It has 6 modes, 6 different modes are on this flosser. 6 different speeds. And it has an awesome grip design on it. And here are some more things you can look at right here. It says for people with non-sensitive gums and massage, and it'll massage your gum. Set the water pressure freely by yourself. Perfect first time users, sensitive teeth. Cleans 99.99% of plaque between teeth. And that is awesome. Rinses gum and protects gum health. So this is the flosser that I'm talking about. I'll have the information down below in the description so you can go and check it out for yourself. Everyone be blessed and prosperous and have a good day. And there it is right there on the box. And this is the front of the box. Powerful dental flosser. Everyone be blessed and prosperous.